Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Van Ahn & Company. It's Thursday, January 12th. I'll go over the markets with you. We had a crop report today, offered a lot of details here. For the most part, it was actually a pretty neutral report. Maybe slightly friendly towards wheat. You had a reduction here in all wheat acres, winter wheat seedings. You were expecting about a 2 million acre decrease compared to last year's planting acres, and you actually saw 4 million. So 2 million below expectations. So that was supportive towards these wheat markets, anywhere from 9 to 13 cents higher. Soybeans maybe a little bit on the friendly side, just on the fact that they thought you were going to see export, or you thought you were going to see yield numbers slightly increased, and they slightly decreased it. So you took the carry out just a little bit smaller at 420, and I say slightly friendly because that is a very large carry out number that we are dealing with yet, and so that's very large. So you saw that decrease. People weren't really expecting it. So I really believe that more than anything, you just had people that were aggressively short before the report lift their shorts now that you didn't see anything too negative out of the report, and saw some short-term buying regardless. So you did see beans up 28 cents off the news. They had export sales as well, very dismal for soybeans. This is the second week in a row we have still gone with no private sales since December 21st. Things are not looking great for soybeans. They will probably hold on for the near term until you can make sure that you're going to get a good crop out of Argentina. USDA did uptick by 2 million metric tons their forecast for Brazil soybeans, so you know everything's going really great there, but people are just kind of waiting for Argentina. They've been kind of too dry, they've been too wet. Last year they didn't finish, and that's where you saw that spike come from in soybeans, and so the market's just being a little bit patient there. Corn didn't really have much information, slight decrease here, but for the most part still battling a very large carryout at 2.355 billion bushel carryout. So corn was down about 3 to 4 cents majority of the day after the news, but gradually worked its way higher with both wheat and soybeans being higher on the day. Meat markets weaker tone into cattle, with live cattle, feeder cattle being down about $2 on the day, and then lean hogs mixed. Outside markets, dollar was down about 80 cents at one point, worked its way back up. That is beneficial towards wheat market. Yesterday we saw it go from 89 cents higher to about 56 cents lower, and now you're lower once again, so that is supportive. Crude market slightly higher. Dow was actually down over 100 points throughout the day. Moving forward, what we're going to be watching is demand. We do need to get some private sales here in soybeans. We need to get that demand to peak up, otherwise we're really going to start back to fall at a pace. After today's, it really was a setback here in the soybean market, and then also watching South America as far as that weather goes for Argentina. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.